Hey, good morning, 8th grade. It's Wednesday. The exciting thing about today, it's our last day of the week. You lucky dogs have a few days of fall break that I hope you enjoy with your families. I'm ready for a new day. Today I am drinking the Kirkland's brand kiwi strawberry water and a partially drinking can of Diet Mountain Dew that was left over from last night. So that's my breakfast. Hopefully yours is a little healthier than that. Today we are going to be finishing up Spain and America. Okay. Last week we kind of focused in on Portugal and its exploration ventures. And this week we've been looking at Spain. They're kind of the two powerhouses leading the world right now in finding and claiming land in the New World. We learned about a lot of different explorers on Monday and Tuesday. De Soto, Coronado, all of those people had claimed all of this land, and now they're starting to settle this land. Okay, so what does society look like in these settlements? That's what you're going to read today. So you should finish reading chapter 2, lesson 3. Let me pull this up. Let me pull up your to-do list. So the first thing on your agenda is to read the rest of lesson 3, which is the middle of page 45 to page 48. Okay? Then answer questions 7 through 10 on the assignment that we started earlier this week. So it looks like this. You should have all of this done from the first part of the week. And so you just need to do number 7, 8, 9. Okay? So remember that these first 3 were different types of settlements. Okay, this was like a trading post. This was like a religious center. This was a fort. And then you learned about a plantation also. How could you write a short paragraph that uses all of these words that explains to somebody what Spanish settlements look like in America? Then the final question is just a what do you think? Okay, the Native Americans had been living there. They had been thriving in their cultures, and now all of a sudden the Spanish arrive and they settle. What effect do you think Spanish settlements had on the Native Americans? Do you think the Native Americans are better off now? Do you think their quality of life is worse? Just what is your opinion on that? All right. Then if you go back to your list, the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to open a blank Google drawing. Okay, so similar to your Columbus timeline, we're just trying to become better masters at using Google Drawing as an educational tool. So get out a Google Drawing and you're going to depict the social classes in Spanish colonial society. Okay, so in other words, who was at the top, who was at the bottom? Now, I gave you using page 46. So page 46, there's something entitled Spanish Colonial Society. And it's going to tell you who's on the bottom, who's in the middle, who's on the top. Okay? Label and explain each group. I'm going to show you a couple of examples from years past just so you have a visual. Many kids just used a pyramid system, okay, where they drew a triangle and cut it up and said, this is the system and this is the description of the people in each one of those systems. Okay, so a pyramid is a great option. I think Jenna also used a pyramid. Okay, then Sydney Campbell, she used more like a stepping stone where she puts boxes on top of each other. Okay, so that's another option. So you're going to be both an historian and a graphic designer there. All right. The questions you should be able to get done today. If you want to leave this part for later, that's fine. Those will be due by the end of the day on Tuesday. That's how I would divide it up. You might want to just get it all done today so that you have nothing, but you could work on this on Tuesday as well. Anyway, that is what you need to do for me today. As always, let me know if you have any questions. You guys, we made it to fall break. We've been in school. Thank you for your diligence in all the things that school has asked of you, wearing masks and being, block schedule and eating in the classrooms and all of those things. I just want to thank you for your work in all of that and excited to have you back in class soon. All right. Thanks, Chargers. Have a great long weekend. God bless you.